Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rahul, and I'm here on behalf of Team Mitra, and I'm going to submit this IE assignment 3. So, let's start. Description of the problem. As you can see, there are most foggy roads in the northern side of the India, in where most commonly accidents might occur. So, we have seen so many news that Delhi roads have been covered with fog after Delhi, after Diwali. So many accidents happen in this. So, in order to avoid these accidents, we have come up with a solution which can avoid these kind of accidents using technology. Okay, coming to the next proposed solution. Our solution is nothing but moreover it's like an LCD screen which provides the feedback to the driver who is sitting in the vehicle. It shows the IR images of the vehicles that are in front of us. So how it works? We use combination of sensors, as I said, use IR sensor and UV sensor. Why we have included UV sensor in order to uh, get more accurate results. So we can calibrate perfectly whether the other side vehicle is coming or not. So value proportion. See, as you can see, according to the census, more than 11,000 and more are injured due to the fog, and many more are injured with these fog-related issues in the road. So we have for this problem, we have come up with a solution to avoid this issue. Due to this market category, which will take help investors, and we have tremendous limit to invest in our project. So target market and opportunity. So the target of a product will be automobiles and heavy trucks. Of course, we can say sedans and everything might come under this opportunity target market. And then coming to the opportunity of the product is abundant. It will target every automobile in the road, four wheeler. And we have an estimation that 33.5 million cars have been produced in the past 2 years, and a lot more are coming in. So it can show how big is the market. Here is the business model of our project, and we have seen this problem, solution, key merits, unique value proposition, components, channels, which where it has been installed, can be installed in a vehicle. Showroom, of course, can check the weather. The car is provided by our series by customers. We visit to the car companies and made a deal, so the car will be produced by the product inside our product installed in the car before manufacturing in man. So we have updated all our sensors where the so where customer can find this sensor is included in their car specific car or not. So customer segments we have used in the cars, trucks, minivans, mini trucks, etc. Cost structure. As it's a basic startup, we are expecting investments in the government, and then we have gathered our own investment from our family, and then after most probably it's a circuit, so cost structure will be around a minimal amount. We can say that revenue streams. Uh, I think we can generate revenue from the websites, and it's as a machinery product. It's the revenue is generated from its sales. So the revenue is generated from the sales, and then fund requirement. Uh, as it is a product, a machinery product, I don't think it will require a lot of funding. So we just need to invest in some of the sensors which are available on the market. We have to calculate them. I actually installed the most costliest available sensor in the market, so it will be better. I mean, we can get better outcomes. So each module would cost around 10,000. I can say, as of course here 12,800, but I can say if we can buy a deal with a company, manufacturing company, we can definitely reduce the cost. Competitor analysis. As per my background research, we haven't found any competitors in this. It's a basic project. I think Most of the competitors haven't come, but we may find in further days. Who knows? Somebody come up with the idea. So that's all in the project solution.